Welcome to Vlearn.tv. Today we are going to make a typewriter out of Lego. Do you know what a typewriter is? Well, today we have computers, but in olden times there was a machine called typewriter which is used to printing papers. When you click a key manually, a paper comes out and then you have to just type it and then done. So let's see how we make a typewriter out of Lego. Away. Now we're going to keypad. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. So in next video we will be constructing the top, jet ski, airplane, racing car, dog, robot, easy robots, lion, truck, and a easy seesaw. That's all for today. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Vlearn.tv.